Meaning of fanny pack.
Fanny pack.
Fanny pack.
Fanny pack.
Fanny pack. A fanny pack is a small bag or pouch worn around the waist or hips, commonly used to carry personal items such as keys, money, and a cell phone. It is also known as a bum bag in some regions of the world. The fanny pack gained popularity in the 1980s and has been used as a fashion accessory and functional item. It is often used by tourists, hikers, and runners as an easy and convenient way to carry essential items while keeping hands free. The fanny pack can come in various materials, sizes, and designs, with some brands offering stylish versions for fashion-conscious individuals.